So rather than graphing quadratic functions, now we're going to be given some information and we're going to have to come up with the equation. So today you'll be given the vertex and one other point. Tomorrow you'll just be given 3 points, and we'll look at how to write the equation with that information. So today our answers, we're going to write them in vertex form, just because that's going to be easiest, given the vertex and a second point. So just as a reminder, vertex form, y equals a x minus h squared plus k, where this is h and this is k. So, and then we're going to use these values to plug in for x and y. The idea is we want to finish, once we plug those values in, we'll be able to figure out what a is. So y equals 2. We don't know a. X is -2. H is -1. And k is 0. And then it's simplifying and solving for a. So this minus a negative, I would just write as plus a positive. Get -1 squared plus 0, we don't need to worry about. So 2 equals 1a, or 2 equals a. So our equation, y equals 2, x minus -1, which is the same as x plus 1 squared. If you wanted, you could certainly write the plus 0 at the end, but you don't have to. Either way would be fine. And that's our answer. Oh, yeah, okay. I was going to say, oh, that doesn't look right, but nope, that looks good. So here we have an issue, 0,4, yep. The x-intercept means we have the coordinate 2, 0. So x-intercept, that's just the x-coordinate where it crosses the x-axis, and 0 is the y value. So just a reminder of that. If it was y-intercept, then x would be 0, and the y value would be whatever we're given for the y-intercept. And I know you'll see that in the homework, or in the homework. But the process is going to be the same. We're going to plug into the vertex form, or standard form as the book calls it. So y is 4, a, my x value is 2, h is 0, plus k. Oops, not plus k. In this case, k is 0. All right, now let's try that again. I mixed up my vertex and my value. So that's why the first time I should have done it this time too. H, K, X, Y. So this should be 0. This should be 4. I messed up where they were. Bad Mr. Gingrich. Two squared is 4 times a plus 4. I would subtract this 4 from both sides and then divide by 4. And again, when you write the equation, you could write it just like that, perfectly acceptable in that vertex form. Anytime you have a 0, you could rewrite it without that minus 0. That would be fine. Either way is good. I actually like the top way just because it just shows where the vertex is. That's just a personal preference. Oops. And so there's your assignment.
All right.
All right. We'll see you tomorrow.
All right. Sounds good.
All right. Have a great day.
You too.